Hello, Martin. And I'm going to upgrade my beef footage. So, I want to upgrade my beef footage / unboxing. So, let's explain the difference between an A footage and a B footage. So, an A footage will be me talking right now to you, which is what an A footage is. A B footage is when you're specifically showing off a part, or you're talking about one part and that's all you see, like this product here. So I bought myself a lazy Susan. Yes, I have. If you haven't seen this video of me building this, I don't know what order this is in, so I need to figure that out. So let's quickly unbox it. So, oh, this monitor's here. This is just for another video. So let's go unboxing. So it's well. So it came with Amazon. So when I got this product, let's story time. They got this box, and there was no, like, you know, in every Amazon box there is like Amazon. Literally, they just got this box, literally put a stick label and go, here you go, have fun. So anyone could have took this, and basically it's got this sticky value. I'm not very happy. I'm not going to complain to Amazon because there's no point. I haven't looked at this, so this is raw. Ooh, this is fancy. Oh, very fancy. Come with batteries. Oh no. Okay. I don't. Okay, this is. I need to go find a USB plug now. One moment, please. Okay, I'm back. So yes, I found a USB plug. So, joys. I'll do it later. So yeah, so this is part of my beef footage. So basically, we'll get the beef footage for my shots. I'm not sure if I use it all the time, but I'll be there for it. So I thought, yeah, that'd be perfect for what I need it for. It's for lightheads, it's not for like graphics cards and stuff like that. So yeah, like this is, so it's just a USB-B, I think it is. Right. Oh, I wish I had a white cable. Oh, that'd been so nice. Oh well. Yeah, I got white for better. Should have black accent. I don't know. It also can do battery operated, but I think it's AA. Beefy battery. It's a big spin. Oh, really? Fuck it all. So I don't know what the max kilo is. Oh, it got nice to me. So that's our subject that we're talking about, and it can go. Give me a second. Right, left. What does SR mean? Oh, so it slows it down. Perfect. And what is it? I have no idea what that is. ASAP. Oh, it comes with a manual. Oh, wow. What does ASP mean? Angle adjustment. Okay, no. Not sure that means something. So what's the maximum weight you can go on? Does it say? Chinese, we don't want Chinese. It doesn't really say. Alright, it doesn't say. It takes, oh wow, this is, I don't really want to back in this. This is, I'll read it out and I'll see if I can find a picture of it and put it on top of it. An 18650 battery. I'm hoping that means, sorry, I can't see my face. I'm hoping that means something to one. Sorry. So yeah, so you can put different, so this way is good, so you get to see it close up. What have this spinning around while you see its full glory. So okay, turn you off. Okay, we'll leave that to the side. We'll just spinning around. So that's his side. The other thing I picked up was I picked up a scales. So this is another thing, part of my upgrade of my unboxing things. So I picked this up from still Tesco's. I can't remember. So it's got wee stuff for the battery, which is about here. So let's pull that. Oh wow, that's quite deep. So Eva, nice. So let's put this whole unit on top and see how much it all weighs together. And we'll have a weight down there. So in grams, it's going 671 grams. So it's all this one. So if we take the flour off, this weighs 247 grams without the flour. So that's, I don't know if this is going to be useful, but I'm sure someone in the world will think this is useful to know how much this weighs. So yeah, so this is a very quick unboxing of these two products, and this was, I can't remember how much was this. This was, can't even remember, but these were quite cheap items. So like, I'm not getting paid for sponsoring these videos. These are coming out of my own pocket. These are coming out of my own bank account. So I'm not getting paid for this. They didn't ask me to use this, but I think this is a very good product. And this thing, it looks really great now. It's fantastic. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.